In this video today, we will see why your iPhone screen randomly dims. Now the main cause for this one is auto brightness. This is a feature with which your iPhone will adjust the display brightness according to the surrounding. For that one, you will go to settings, you will go to this option accessibility, go to this option display and text size, scroll down, and if you see there is an option auto brightness. So if you have enabled this option, then the brightness of your iPhone screen will change according to the environment. So if you want the brightness to remain constant, then you have to disable this option. Now even if you have disabled this auto brightness, but still if the brightness of the iPhone screen keeps dimming, then one of the reason for that one is because of the high temperature. If your iPhone becomes very hot, then in order to save the battery, the display of the iPhone screen will dim. So make sure that you use your iPhone at normal room temperature. The next thing that you will do is you will go to settings, you will go to this option display and brightness, and if you see there is an option true tone. So what does this do is it will automatically adapt the iPhone display based on the ambient light condition to make color appear consistent in different environment. So your iPhone screen brightness will adapt to the environment. So if you don't want, you can disable this option. Now you can see the brightness of the iPhone has changed into blue light. Before it was like more of yellow color. So maybe you want to disable this option true tone also. And there is one more option, night shift. So you can disable this option also. If night shift is enabled in your iPhone, then the brightness of the screen will decrease little bit. Now one more thing, if you open this control center and if you have enabled this low power mode, then this might also affect the brightness of the iPhone screen. So make sure you disable this option low power mode. And last thing that you can do is you can see there is an ambient light sensor on the top of this iPhone. Make sure that this area is clean. Also, if you have used a new screen protector, try removing the screen protector and see if the brightness of the screen will increase. So in any case, you have to make sure that this area is clean.